Testing. We back. We back. We back. It's so over. We're disabling the flags. We're disabling the flags. We're disabling a lot of stuff. We're supposed to have advertising. Advertising or SigmaShake. Or SigmaShake. All right, we have to resume a lot of sessions. We were only down for a few minutes, but let's see, did it automate the stream restart? Did it finish it? Both daemons are live in old code right now. Yeah, I don't have to worry about this now. Oh. Fix release drift and monorepo. Push and polish Blender integration. It's probably going to zoom that one. Testing. Yeah, my voice still works, right? Yep. Yes, stage, commit, push, and deploy.
Impressive.
Commit and push. Okay, let's see here. Oh my god, she's actually waving. Wow, look at that, guys. She's actually doing something. That's cool. But the wave thing with her left hand, that's pretty messed up. She should probably not do that, but what dancing is she doing? What is she doing? The wave with her left hand is weird. We should not do that anymore. We need to remove the left hand animation for waving. What the heck's happening? What is she doing right now? What is she doing? What kind of animation is that? That was before we hooked her up with our professional setup, so we could depreciate that. Could we see the other animations, like the waving animations? There's like 3 of them. Or 2 of them. And I also want to see all the dancing animations. Also, why does she keep moving down or in the screen? Should I sign into a different account? I guess I could shine into this one. Alright, I need to log in to different accounts. Okay, set that up. Commit and push. What is there a single command that I need to run for each system? All right. All right. Oh, can you also fix the microphone holding as well with the singing animation? All right. All right. We need a power up. We need a power up. I know you guys are sick of the SigmaShake songs. Well, we won't play that one. We won't play that one. We'll take it off the playlist. We need a power up because it's gonna be our last couple of minutes. Brain is mush. Brain is mush. All right, have a good night. Have a good night. Niso. It's Niso, right? Yeah, Niso. Catch you tomorrow. Catch you tomorrow. See ya. Good night. We need to play not this song because we listened to it too many times. Let's do this one. The banger. The banger. Oh my gosh, her mouth droops down. Mouth droops down. I also noticed the mouth droops down for no reason. I'm not sure what it is. Man, we didn't fix these tests. Why doesn't it show in workspace? It needs to be something so easy where all it requires is me being logged in with GitHub and everything works and everybody is able to fetch the same creds to authenticate and have the same keys and stuff in sync. It should be very frictionless. We need to also support...
Impressive.
Yo, Karax, what's up, man? Is it morning there? It's probably morning there, right? I'm gonna be going to sleep in like maybe hopefully an hour or less. Yeah, good morning. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, happy Saturday. Hope you enjoy your weekend. And vibe code, whatever it is you're vibe coding. But yeah, not much. Not much. Let me lower the music. We're just trying to squeeze up the last bit of work before we go to sleep. But we still have usage. I was expecting to have no usage on this account. It's surprisingly able to last 2 days. And we used 1 billion of input tokens. So yeah, be careful when you work. If you have a Claude Max subscription as well, for fun. Oh yeah, you're independent, but yeah, just be careful with 4.8. As you can see with my usage, yesterday I used up 51%. Today I used just 30%. But I'm only mainly using Opus 4.8, so up to you. Up to you. I saw some diagram that Max is not better than tiered 1 in SWE. Tiered 1. One tier lower in software. Yeah, they even like, apparently when we use Ultra, I was using Ultra Think too. Ultra Code, and it uses extra high and not max. So maybe max isn't really needed. Max is just like increasing the thinking window. So I'm using Ultra Code for some stuff now. I use Ultra Code plus Goal plus Ultra Think. Like everything max, at least try to. Just so that it could do it. And so far Navi is a little bit better now. Navi could actually have actual humanoid animations. Yeah, right here. This one. Let me show you. It makes a cool animation too. So you just do effort. Watch this. Bam. It literally reaches all the way, dude. I don't know what it's doing, guys. They want to make you feel cool while coding. It seems to be smarter than Max because it includes workflows. Workflows allows it, it's like agents, teams, except it's like a coordinated team. It's a coordinated team. So like specialized agents. Give it a try. I didn't really burn that much tokens. I didn't burn it. But this is just cool. The effect it does, even though it's like so simple, it just does it, you know? It's cool. I can imagine like having like a bigger giant screen and you just see it like overflow. Apparently Ultra Code was broken yesterday, and it's a good thing we didn't use it. If we used it, we would have used all of our usage in one day. Luckily, we're just sparingly using it for like Navi and tests. We used it to make tests, and it only took 30 minutes to create all my workspace tests. Like all my workspace tests had a lot of like black And in only 30 minutes, it completed all of them. Like all 69 services. It was able to create test cases for all of them. I was like, what the heck? 30 minutes? That's quick. It's like fast API mode. And I didn't spend that much either. I spent like maybe 10%. And I was working on 2 projects with Ultra Code on. I recommend it for tests. It's really good. And to work faster too.
Possibly.
My computer crashed earlier, like an hour or so ago, and I was looking at a page where I downloaded all my animations, and I'm trying to find it. Oh, here it is, Mixamo. What the heck kind of model is this? Oh, we got something.
Wake me up inside the data stream tonight. 가면 고시 고생 요시 라스 컴바이마다 오와라나 PS Pulse 오치를 PC でも止まれない Destiny Oh no 世界で screaming loud Fork bomb heart gonna crash us down Guardrails breaking in neon skies AI vampires in disguise Discord光る notification Ship it now the vibration YOLO permissions dangerously set まだ未来にかけ
Oh. Hey Joe, I'm gonna stop streaming in like a couple minutes. I don't know. Not that long. I won't be streaming that long. I got stuff to do. I'm just waiting for this last couple of jobs. Good stream. Kept pausing in my browser. No. Yeah, no worries. My stream shut off and I had to spin it back up, so don't worry. Don't worry, man. We'll see you tomorrow. If you're here tomorrow. Hope you get some rest too. Have a good rest of your weekend. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this last bit of stuff to push so I could make sure all my work is saved before I go to sleep. Make sure you use all your usage. I'll be around at some point. Touch some grass, yeah. Touch some grass. Hang out with the kids, family. It's the best thing we could do. Best thing we could do. AI will always be there. AI will always be there. $33% left to spend, slowly chipping away. Yep. Good night, man. Good night. Yeah. Good night, everyone. Thanks for stopping by for YouTube and Kick and anybody out there watching, the lurkers. We'll see you tomorrow. Hi, Sigma. Can I make rules to make them act as a mentor? Rules to make them act as a mentor? You could make allow rules that it's called ambient rules that sort of mentor, not mentors, but for every tool command, you could make it like say, yeah, you should probably use this tool instead type of thing. It's called ambient, A-M-B-I-E-N-T. Or you could just create allow rules. You could create ambient rules or allow rules to guide your AI to do something else. When I say guide, it means like every time the command like is within the syntax of that rule, you could add a message to say, hey, you should probably use this instead. Is that what you mean? Instead of completely. Or you could just do it within the block or the force. Block or force. Everything has a message, and the AI could read the message. But you let me know how that turns out. I'll probably have a proper patch tomorrow. So I wasn't able to roll out like a full patch today. I'm just trying to sync some stuff. But I won't be streaming that long. Like maybe 5-10 minutes. However. More like make AI tell me and explain to me rather than blatantly add code. Oh. I mean, that's what plan mode does, right? Plan mode, it tells you what it's going to do before it does it. Oh, there's a teach mode too. There's a teach mode. There's like a learn mode. I forgot what mode it's called. Learn? Config? Config mode? There's a mode that will tell you which, like teach mode or something like that. Yeah. There's a mode that tells you how to like use it. I'll ask Google. What's that mode in Claude to allow you to teach you stuff? Output style learning. Output style learning? Yeah, it's output style. Right here. When you do /config output style. Right here. Here it is, guys. Here. Let me put it back. You do /config and then output style. You press right direction and then just click learning. It says Claude pauses and asks you to write small pieces of the code for hands-on practice. I'm going to end stream. I'm just waiting for something to. I'm waiting for this stuff to finish. I'm waiting for my pull request to finish, or PRs to push, my code to push to main branch and stuff, and then or fix all these merge conflicts potentially, and then stop. Yeah. No worries. No worries, man. Thanks again for helping me out too. Alright, guys. I can
Fresh mate!
Hello? Oh, me? I'm building AI agent guardrails. Thanks for following. Wait, have you been following? I don't remember. Oh, you're on YouTube. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm building AI agent guardrails. It's on my website, SigmaShake.com. You can see it here. Pretty much I create a way to monitor your AI agent tool use. You know how your agent uses a bunch of tools? I create a solution to monitor everything about your agent in terms of tool use. So like what it does, and I create guardrails to prevent it from doing destructive rules, things that you don't want it to do. You could stop it from doing, and things that you want it to do, you could force a tool that you want it to use. I'm not sure, like if you VibeCode yourself, you probably found me through a VibeCode search. Usually people that come into my stream, usually they either use like Claude Code or Codex. They're either using Windows or Linux or Mac. And my solution supports all that. Currently, yeah, I made a desktop version, a VS Code extension, a CLI tool, all to be able to monitor your AI coding agent. To prevent it from like doing things that you don't want it to do. So typical guardrails, it's like a firewall for your AI coding agent, except it blocks at runtime. So before your agent actually uses the tool, my solution evaluates that tool command, and if it falls within like a rule set, it will block it or allow it, ask you for permission, force, or log it. Create like a whole rule set per technology as well to enforce best practices. And so every technology that you use has unsafe or depreciated functions that your coding agent could accidentally use and implement. And so this will prevent those unsafe implementations from being implemented into your code. And that's what I'm building. Other things that I'm building is updating my Navi, my AI avatar character assistant. And yeah, I'm getting used to like figuring it out. Interesting. That's for shame. No worries. No worries. No worries, man. Let's see here. How do you calculate my valuation? Time, total addressable market, my expertise, how much I usually make, and customers, users, yeah, and then how much I would sell it for if someone were to ask to buy it. Oh, I guess, what are you making? What are you vibe coding? Are you like Codex, Claude Code, Windows, Apple, Mac, or Windows, Mac, Linux? Codex, making random stuff that I need to use, nothing or market yet. Got it. Yeah, everybody's just sort of like making small little things, tools to help them automate stuff. That's cool. Yeah, everybody's still trying to figure it out. Just learning. Codex seems to get the most bang for your buck in terms of usage. But I have two Claude Code Max accounts. And this is my first one. This is my first one, almost done with usage. And then I'll work on my next one. And also, I might not be streaming for that long because, yeah, it's like 12 midnight, about to be 1 a.m. And I'm probably gonna go sleep soon. But what part of the world are you from? Are you in the Southeast Asia, Europe area? See, Southeast Asia. Cool. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. It's always interesting meeting people around the world. I stream like 12 hours a day, so I'm bound to run into people from all over different time zones all over the world. Yeah, I'm in the US of A. Huh? Is that a bot? Say you're not a bot and I'll believe you. In the OBS chat for automated messages, remove the break the bot message. Oh, and also, for Kick, can you automatically ban anybody that says they want to collab? New Navi model? I'm just taking the clothes from this model and taking the clothes from this model because this model is messed slightly, has better clothes. Just the hand is messed up. The hand is completely messed up. I don't know what they did to the hand. We want to get the original. This one has been altered. I think you should check the account age first. Or if someone is weird, should ban. Yeah, it's true. No, I've seen that message before. Account, this is on Kick, so I don't know. I just see those messages sometimes, and I just don't want to. just don't want those messages, so I'll just ban them. And they didn't reply to me, so they're a bot. Is API more expensive than subscription? Yes, by like 10 times. I don't recommend it. I do not recommend it unless you own $1 billion company. Where did that page go? Trying to find that page. What's it, that Adobe site that has the 3D animations? I need to end stream, guys. I need to end stream. I got to go soon. I know Mirror the Master just joined, but I really got to end stream. Thanks everybody for watching. You guys have a good one, man. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.